Hey, Dark Horse Nation, I hope you guys are having a great freaking weekend. I know you guys had a hard week, and so I know you are ready to party and relax and have a great time. So this video is about the new additions to the the grounds here at the studio. So anyway, we added some of this right here. I mean, check it out. Right? I mean, that's amazing, y'all. You can hear the frogs in the background. So we added this right here this week. I mean, that's pretty awesome, guys. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, what we did, guys, we added a split rail fence right here. Yep. And so my son, Griffin, he was gracious enough to help me out and put this fence out, okay? Now, what we did, in case you guys want to know how to do this, and we got this right here. And right here, and we got this girl right here. But anyway, what we did, guys, we actually dug the holes 30 inches deep, okay? And so once we got to 30 inches deep, we put 6 inches of this pea gravel right here in the ground, and then after that we placed the post, and then we put about 6 inches of actual dirt, and then the rest of it, guys, was pea gravel. And I'll tell you what, this is sturdy. I mean, check this out. I mean, it's not moving. And this is the best way to set a post, okay? And then that way, if you ever have to take it out of the ground, you don't have the concrete you have to worry about, okay? I mean, you'll be able to get this post out with no problems. And this post right here, I mean, the way it's set, guys, I mean, this post will be in the ground for the next 25 years. I mean, you ain't got to worry about it, you know? But when you do decide to take it out, you can take this post out, okay? So this is the latest addition to Dark Horse Studio, and I just want to share this with you guys. And it's pretty damned amazing. I mean, I got to admit, this is, I mean, right here, I mean, it's pretty cool. Yeah. So, for whatever reason, it's not letting me zoom in and out, you know, so I'm sorry. I'll just have to do I have to get up close video of all this. And so I'm gonna walk you guys around the property, and the garden, guys, I tell you what, I mean, this garden is off the chain. I mean, here is the I mean, this is amazing right here. I mean, this is a butterfly bush, and oh my Lord, she is pretty. And then the tomatoes, I mean, they've been coming in. I mean, I've already picked so many jalapeno peppers. I've tried to give them away. Nobody will come and get them. Yeah. But this right here, oh my Lord. I mean, this is just amazing right here, guys. I mean, it's beautiful. I kid you not. Yeah. And I'm hoping that the okra will start blooming, I mean, here before long. And that's going to be real nice. I mean, this garden here, guys, oh my goodness. I mean, it is freaking amazing. I mean, we've had so much rain in the last week. I mean, it's just off the chain, y'all. Yeah. And so, I mean, the corn is coming out. I mean, if you look at it, I mean, the hybrids are coming out. Now, I've got to admit, the green beans are not putting out flowers like I would like them to, yeah. So, I don't know, they may not do anything at all this year except make green bean stalks, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, the corn, I mean, right here, guys, this is beautiful, you know what I'm saying? I mean, this is what Mother Nature is all about. The wind is blowing hard today. It feels so good. It's been so hot. Oh my Lord. And right here, my son, Griff, I got to admit, he busted his butt washing this back wall of all the damn mildew and mold and grime that had been there for years because of the trees that used to be here. And those got cut down back in March, and then I put this garden out here. But I want to give a big shout out to my son Griff, and he did one hell of a job. And I mean, he took care of all this stuff right here. I mean, look at this. This is amazing, guys. Yeah. I mean, look at that right there. Yep. I mean, this is awesome. So, we have sunflowers right here. And then we've got the flowers on the squash, the cantaloupe. Guys, this is amazing. You know what I'm saying? And here are the purple peppers. I've never ever in my life seen a purple pepper. So this is pretty cool. And then I come out this morning and already cut up or got off the jalapenos, and I'm gonna be using those for a big Bloody Mary and whatever else I can concoct. But yeah, right here is the bomb, guys. I mean, I kid you not. So, but anyway, Griffin did a great job with this right here. I mean, he worked his butt off to do this, and I am really appreciative. And we're gonna walk down the back side of the property And as you can see, it goes down the line. And we're going to come over here. And this fence is the next thing that needs to be taken care of. We're going to replace this fence here at the studio. So that's the next thing. It's on the list of things to do. And right here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but let me get up here on the road. Right there. I mean, Griff did a great job right there washing that wall and getting all the crap off of it. You know what I'm saying? And then right here, this was the big one, right there. And he got all the damn mildew, mold off of that. And like I say, he worked his butt off, you know. So, but anyway, guys, yeah, it's been a lot of work this week. There's been so much stuff going on, and it's windy here today. And I'm going to take you guys down here, and I'm going to show you guys the highlight of today and the last thing that was installed here at Dark Horse Studio. Okay, so we're going to go down here. And yeah, I'm going to tell you what, guys, yeah, I got me a little happy buzz going on. You guys know that. You know what I'm saying? It's Saturday. I'm entitled. Check this out right here, y'all. Oh, my Lord, look at this. Guys, this is one of the most beautiful plants I have ever had in my garden. I mean, this is amazing right here. Yep. I mean, amazing. But anyway, we're going to go back right down here. And I'm going to come back around the hut. You know, right here's the hut. Yeah. And we got the hydrangeas are coming back out finally, where they got cooked because it was so hot. Yeah, and then got this right here. This is pretty amazing. And then right here, y'all. I mean, oh my Lord, look at this. I mean, this is beautiful. You know what I'm saying? I mean, seriously. And then we're going to walk up through here. I mean, look at that. Oh my Lord. So, anyway, guys, I'm going to come up here on the hut, and I'm going to show you guys something. Right here. Now. Oh Lord, that was loud. So, I don't know if you guys can see this, but you see Armelia, and you see behind her, right there. So behind her is the highlight of the property today. Now, the guys that brought this piece out today, let me tell you, they did one heck of a job. It was awesome. I was very, very happy with it. And it's amazing. I mean, this makes the outdoor studio right here, guys. So I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to show you what we got going on right here. And Armelia, she says hi. And she says, I hope Dark Horse Nation is doing great this weekend. All right, guys. All right. I mean, this is awesome right here. All right, now, here's the deal. Here is the big reveal for the day. Okay? And, oh my Lord. Check this out right here. I mean, this right here. This fountain, guys, it is beautiful. It is over 6 foot high. I mean, it's taller than I am. And you can hear the water, right? And then we have lights that will come on tonight and light this thing up. But I tell you what, guys, this thing is amazing right here. I mean, check this out. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to run actual conduit from the plug-in right here, and I'm going to run it underground to the house. That is what I'm going to do, so I'll do that sometime next week. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys, and this right here, oh my God, check this out. Lord, this is amazing. It's beautiful. I love the sound. It reminds me of the creek up at my mountain house up in North Carolina between Tennessee. I mean, listen to that. I mean, this will put you to sleep. So anyway, y'all, I just wanted to share this with you guys. And this is pretty cool. And, oh my Lord, there it is. Alright, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support and encouragement. I love you guys. And you all have a great weekend. And guess what's going to happen next? We're going to walk up here to this swing of mine. That's what we're going to do. Yep. Right here. This 17-year-old swing. Well, it's actually older than that, but I've had it for like 16, 70 years. But anyway, we're going to sit down right here. And right here, you see that? What do we say, Dark Horse Nation? I'm going to take a sip of this, and let's see. Oh, damn. Guys, that is freaking good. You all have a great weekend. Take care. And I will catch you guys later with another video. And God bless. And enjoy your weekend. Bye.